Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel Easy Spicy Cooking. Today I am going to making this super creamy macaroni pasta. If you are new here, please consider subscribing if you like my content. So let's get started. Starting with the pasta, firstly we marinate the chicken. We take 1 pound of sliced chicken. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powders and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Also add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce in it. Mix it well and make sure all the chicken is coated and let it for half an hour for marination. In the hot pan I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil which I am going to fry my meat in it. Add the chicken in the hot oil and then fry it about 2 to 5 minutes until it's developed in nice golden brown color. Now I am adding 1 onion and 1 capsicum in the chicken. Cook it half a minute and then remove the chicken from the pan. In other pan I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 cup of white flour in it. When it makes bubble, I am adding 2 cups of milk. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of cumin powders, half tablespoon of black pepper. Now I am adding boiled macaroni or pasta in it. Mix it very well and then make sure that everything is nicely combined. Afterward I am going to serve it. Now put your chicken on it. Let's check if it is so smoothy and creamy. This pasta is super delicious. Must try this recipe. And let's come back in comment section and let me know how it is. And if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.